do love this car. I know it's been about sort of 2.5 weeks or so where I have been filming a video. I did try and get a video out on a little Clio lip that I thought would fit and look good. After many evenings trimming and trying to stick and buying better double-sided sticky tape, it didn't actually fit very well, but got a little clip to show you sort of what it looked like on the car, but long story short, it looked crap. So we're going to wait for another option maybe. But we tried and failed. What else? Hecko wind deflectors. I've used double-sided sticky tape all over it, so it would adhese better to the window, because I don't know if you guys have wind deflectors or have had them, but mine always seem to slip down. The sort of double-sided sticky tape they provide wasn't very good, so I've used some ends which uses for our flowers, and it seems to hold it up nicely, but I'm always having to push up that driver's side wind deflector. So, but yes, this video is just going to be the last drive in my car as sort of a standard engine sort of setup, let's say, just to go out and enjoy it for one more time and go and get some fuel. Yeah, just wanted to introduce the video. Thank you guys for sticking around and coming back. If you wouldn't mind scrolling down and liking, that'd be amazing. I try not to ask too much, but every time I ask, you guys do it, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's get cracking into this video. We are off to try and get some fuel like everybody in the UK, but I actually need some. There's some sort of fuel crisis going on there, talking about on the radio. I was like, oh, it's not really a fuel crisis, I just think they just can't deliver it. So yeah, we're going to get some funky little shots with the old GoPro. Got the GoPro on the cage, just talking to you guys now, but I need to get some fuel, and this is the last proper drive where I'm just going to go out and have some fun. It's going to get dark in about 25 minutes anyway, but yeah, just going to go out and have a little blast in the car really. Probably stick a few clips in the video, and then this is the last time it's going to be as it is. The work begins on, well yeah, tomorrow. So the work starts tomorrow, Saturday, and yeah, hopefully I should be pumping out a few cool little videos. So this is the last time I'm going to drive it as it is, and then we're going to start pushing for more performance, which are exciting videos to come, and I'm excited to put them out for you guys. Yeah, woo. Well, hopefully anyway, hopefully it's excited. We'll see how well it goes, but yeah, hopefully you guys are excited as I am, even though you don't know what it is yet, because not a lot of exciting stuff happens on this channel. I know, I try and do a few mods here and there, but cars are very expensive, and unfortunately I'm not riddled with money. But yeah, we do the odd mod and we do the odd fix and stuff, but this is quite a big one for myself and my channel, so don't get upset that I'm holding it out. Just try to drag it out a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going to pop to the local garage, not Morrison's anymore because they are full-blown E5. Not that I should have been getting Morrison's fuel anyway, but it's just convenient. So I'm driving out a little bit further to the BP to get BP Ultimate. So I'm pretty sure they've got E10 now as well. I don't think it's bad for the Clio, but in the fuel cap they recommend 99 RON anyway. I think it is on 98. So yeah, we're going to the garage. There's lots of cars on this road, which I'm not too ecstatic about at 7 o'clock. I thought it would be a little bit quieter, but we'll see what the petrol station's like. If it's mental, I'll have to come back tomorrow on my way over to get the work done. But I've only got 62 miles left. If you don't know one of these cars, the fuel light goes on at about 45, 42, and I don't like the fuel light coming on because she's old. You need to treat her right, not picking up all the crappy fuel at the bottom of the tank. So heard Boris on the radio today going, do not panic buy fuel, but that is going to make all the old biddies and everyone everyone and their mums go, yeah, we'll go out and top up our car just in case. So yeah, we're just about to rock up now. Okay, I love it when people indicate just as they want to. No? Don't want to do that, mate? But yes, exciting times ahead for the channel and for myself, hopefully anyway, if it goes well. If it doesn't go well, it'll be exciting because it'll be content as well. But I normally prefer to get Shell V-Power, but last time I went into Trowbridge they were out, so yeah. We shall try the garage. Oh, 147, not too bad. Left my passenger airbag off again, so I had Harrison in the car. Don't judge me. So, oh, I do love this car. Just as it is, it's a great car. I'm potentially about to mess it up, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I've got someone helping me who knows what they're doing, so that's always a positive thing. But everybody says, "Oh, keep it standard. Don't even bother with any of the engine-y bits." I know people like some people like cam, some people like turbo in, some people like other methods, and advanced timing and all that jazz. But you'll see what we've got in store. It could go wrong, and it could go really right. We could have a great time, so let's hope we're going to have a great time. My car will be up on a ramp while we're doing a bit of work on it as well, so hopefully I'll take the lead shot with me, and we're just going to shove some lead shot in that linkage now instead of the sand. I'm going to see what that does. I've looked up that there's a PTFE bearing that you can change as well. I'm not so bothered about going down that route yet because the bearing's about 50 quid, and I've spent all my money, and I'm going to spend it all on this guy helping me, Josh, who's going to be helping me do it. Effie's coming up. I've paid the deposit to get booked in, but obviously I need to pay for the remap on top of that, so yeah, there's quite a few payments going out soon, but I've got the funds, I saved up the funds, and now I spent them, so that's fine. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy these videos as we crack on with something a little bit more spicy, because I feel like I've done the majority of stuff with this car. Obviously, if there's any videos you want to see on a Clio 182, do let me know down in the comments. Always looking for little ideas, whether you want to see me take something else off or break something else as I normally do and then try and put it back together. Little burn up the bypass, a little bit of fun, and then I think we are done for another week. So next time when you guys tune in, I will be heading over to Josh to see him at his unit, and yeah, pretty much start cracking on with work. That's sort of Saturday, obviously, which is tomorrow. I got to take Harrison swimming in the morning, doing dad things, and then obviously when he goes home, I'm going to be taking the car over to Josh. We're going to start cracking on with the work. So sort of the reveal will probably be in the next video or the video after. I'm trying to think out what videos I've got running up to it, but here we go. Enjoy it while it lasts. Oh god, I might flick back to this clip once it's done, if she doesn't make it. Oh, look at his number plate, 3 letters. No, it's not. 11 VE. Fair play, fair play. You got some money, even though you're driving a Honda CV. Don't think people understand the way just cars work in general. A test's easier nowadays. I say nowadays like I've been driving for 40 years, but No one seems to understand how roundabouts work anymore. No one understands that there's an indicator on their car. Ears are right up my ass, I know really. I don't know. That's it. There's no one on the fucking roundabout. Oh my god, honestly. Jesus Christ. What are you doing? I think this person may be intoxicated. He is all over the place. Oh my god. There's my point. I don't know if you can see that on that camera. Is that even running? Yeah. Jesus Christ. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously the spoiler was crap. JMRS is making one apparently. I'd like to have a little lip on there now. I'd love to get a trophy spoiler, but it's not happening because of the money really at the moment. So I would like a spoiler lip, so hopefully we're going to get that one from JMRS when he starts pushing them out, because that was just crap. So don't buy them if you got a 182. Apparently they fit a 172, but I'm not so sure. I think he was just chatting rubbish, but I got a refund, so he's a nice enough guy. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully next time it's going to be super exciting and you guys will be happy and I'll be happy and we'll all have a good time. So yeah, thanks for tuning in guys. Remember to slide down and like it. Support the channel. Hopefully we're going to get near 3k before the video, but if we don't, it's still my 3k video. It's just yeah, exciting time. So cheers guys.